Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have Vino, which means we have wine. We also have lifestyle products, but let's get in here and see exactly what we do have. So if you are new to Vino, Vino is a wine and lifestyle box. You get 5 to 6 lifestyle products. You get 2, but I'll show you how to get 3 bottles of wine every quarter. It is $59.99. And I think well worth it. I think personally the wine comes really close to covering the price, but we also have lifestyle products. So let's talk about the wine and then we'll open the lifestyle. So Vino comes with 2 bottles of wine, but they have been nice enough to give us a code. If you just use code Kathrin, and I'll put the link down below and you can use code Kathrin, you will get for the lifetime of your subscription 3 bottles of wine with each. So 1, 2, 3. I need a third arm. So we have 3 bottles of wine. This time is really cool because I got a white, a rosé, and a red. If by chance you only like white wines, you can tell them and you can only get white wines. Same if you only like reds. Or you can get a mix like I've got here. Or they also do sweet wines where you can get all 3 wines, sweet wines, which I think they generally do Moscatos. And like I say, every season, I really need to remember to go in and tell them that I'd like to do that because I do love a sweet wine. And summer is the perfect time for that because I like them really, really cold. So cold that I have been known to drop an ice cube in it. Shh, don't tell anybody, but I have. Each box is curated to help women unwind, relax, recharge. Personally, I don't think this has to be a woman's box. I think it would be great for men and women to share. And I want to tell you now before I forget, because I think this is important and sometimes I forget to tell you. This comes out quarterly. If the next quarter is getting ready to come out and you don't need more wine or something in it strikes you as, oh, my sister would really love that, you can just let them know and they will send this box wherever you'd like. So you can own the subscription, but you can send your boxes each quarter wherever you'd like to send them. And they will get the 3 bottles of wine. I always want to mention that because I think this would make a really great gift. Okay, my wine. My first wine I have is from New Crush, and it is a Riesling. And Riesling, I've probably said this, Riesling is probably my favorite wine. And I love that that wine art is a heart that they've made out of fingerprints. I just really like label art, and I want it not to make a difference in which one I buy, but it does. And I think this one's cute. Their wines come from California and South Africa. This is the New Crush Rosé, also a great one, cold, for the summer. I really like a cold wine in the summer. So whites and rosés, I would never personally chill or ice a red. This is a Tynes Merlot, and that is what that looks like. So I have 3 really great different wine choices here. Like rosé, I personally think if you're just like getting ready to take a bath and you want a nice glass and you want to relax, I think a rosé is great for that. Riesling, I personally, I will drink Riesling with almost anything, but with chicken or, well, I hate to say fish because it's a white, so that seems very obvious, but it's true. It's just better. And then spaghetti or steak or even hamburgers, a nice Merlot, delicious. So if you have any interest in this, be sure and use the code because for the life of your subscription, instead of getting 2 bottles of wine, you'll get 3. Now, let's see what I've got for lifestyle products. And by the way, this comes packaged so nicely and it comes to you so quickly. This was all in a bigger outside box, and I'll link my other videos up here because I've shown you guys a lot how these bottles come packaged. They're in like egg carton type packaging that protects them so well. I have never had one even slightly out of place, and then they just set this right on top and it's always perfect. This is a box. This is such a good size. I know I talk about boxes of my boxes too much, but this is a really good one to pack things away and send them in. So when we open up, that is what it looks like on the inside. And we have our paperwork that says, oh, because each box, this isn't just the summer box. This is the, oh, summer fun box. So like the Christmas one is oh ho ho. They have the cutest name. So this is the oh summer fun box, and that's what it looks like. So let's take this stuff out and see what it is. So in this, it's a nice little envelope, and we will have cards that will tell us, that one tells us what everything in the box is, no cheating. And then behind that, we will have a card for each individual product that will tell us a little bit about each of the products. Right on top, we have, I think earrings, and they look pretty. We're gonna take them out, but they come protected in this nice plastic baggie. And then on top of that, while these are pretty enough to gift, they come in a little organza bag. Look how pretty those are. I love these. This is by a brand that we do get in this box, and it's called Zaxi. I think we also had it in a Boxycharm box. Last time we got some little crystal ones that were very pretty. Oh my. I will be wearing these. Look how gorgeous those are. They are so, so pretty. They're all, see how it's called? Oh, how pretty will those look? Just, and I like that with all this hair, they're big enough that they're going to be seen. Let's see what the paperwork says about it. The back of it says that they are the Gold Summer Earrings by Zaxi. It says, ooh la la, these exquisite gold earrings from Zaxis have an entrancing chandelier silhouette and are made of sparkling filigree discs. Lightweight, they are very lightweight and easy to wear. These fun earrings will spruce up any look, day or night. They are approximately 2.5 inches, hypoallergenic, and nickel free. And they have a $26 value. Those are so pretty. And they are, in case you are wondering, they are a French wire, and they give you the little plastic piece to help keep them in your ear. Next on top, we have a bag that I'm going to guess, since it has glasses on front, they're going to say is a glasses bag. And the back says, beach please, beach please, sunglasses case. And that is what it looks like. This is also by Zaxi, and it's one of these. Don't you love that? Ooh. These are so easy to get into, so much easier to do than zippers. I could, like a kid with a toy, I could do this all day. But let's see. Boop-a-doo. Perfect. Now, granted, all of my sunglasses are bigger than this, but they are, let me show you with my regular glasses. This is plenty big, I would think, for even the biggest sunglasses, because there's my regular glasses compared to it. So it's a good size. Let's see what the paperwork says. I need my glasses back. Did I show you the beach, please? It says, did someone say beach, please? Oh yes, please. Protect your favorite pair of sunnies with this oceanfront-inspired soft sunglass case, and you'll catch rays and waves wherever you go. Oh, perfect. It says it is approximately 7 inches by 4 inches and is a PVC material pocket holder. It has a $24 value. I will use it. So we are 2 products in, and 2 products I will use. Next, we have a bag. It feels like a straw bag from the part that I could feel over here. Yeah, it feels like a straw bag, but it has cute 3 little pom-poms on it. And the back says that it's from Shiralia, and it is a zipper pouch. Shiloh zipper pouch. Let's see how it zips. Very nicely. Oh, it's nicely lined with a nice slick black lining. That is really, you know, this is almost big enough that if you had a little black dress and you wanted something to just carry with it if you were just going out for the evening, I think this would be super cute with that. Can you tell that it's kind of got like straw to it? It's so pretty. The paperwork says Shiralia Clutch. This woven material clutch is the perfect addition to your summer accessory collection. The perfect size for your essential items and the perfect style for perking up any outfit for the season and beyond. Woven clutch bag zipper closure. So they're calling it a clutch bag. I was thinking that it was just an oversized, you know, something you would throw in a beach tote, but no, they're calling it a clutch bag, and I think it would be perfect for that. That is so pretty. Okay, next I have snacks. Lark Fine Foods Salted Caramel Almond Chocolate Pearl. I don't know what it is yet. That is what it looks like. It says it is 3.2 ounces. Oh, serving size 2 cookies, and it's 160 calories. So 80 calories a cookie. Oh, yum. So that is what it looks like. So we have cookies. I'm going to be good and not eat these and save them and share them with my hubby, but they look really, really good. Salted caramel almond, I mean, they can't be bad. It says Lark Fine Foods Chocolate Pearl Cookies. The beloved chocolate chip cookie reaches new heights with a heavenly combination of fine Belgian chocolate and luxurious artisan crafted confections. We hope you enjoy this wholesome yet indulgent treat as much as we do. Oh, yum. 6 gourmet cookies, 6.3 ounce package. Well, just for the record, the box says it's a 3.2 ounce package, so I'm sure that is just a typo. And on the bottom it says, product of the USA, 100% woman-owned business. I like supporting that. All right, so that is the Vino Summer Fun Box for 2021. And once again, I love it. It is $59.99. You get 2 bottles of wine in all of those products, unless when you sign up, you use my code Kathrin, and then with the lifetime of your subscription, you will receive 3 bottles of wine instead of 2. And in the box, we received the cookies, the cute little straw feel clutch. Oh no, I'm not done. I have an entire awesome product that I missed. Hang tight. This is fun. It's a palette. We have the Athena palette from Ipsy, and that is what that looks like. Oh, it's very pretty, very neutral, but very pinky. These are huge eyeshadow pans. Look, see, relative to my finger, those are huge. Let's see what the paperwork says. And we do have a full mirror on the other side. Can't believe I almost missed an awesome product. It is the Ipsy eyeshadow palette. Oh, pretty. This goddess-inspired eyeshadow palette from Ipsy offers the perfect mix of neutral and bold hues. These buttery shadows make it incredibly easy to blend out for a natural, effortless finish. This palette will definitely be your new fave in your makeup collection. Features 4 rich matte shades and 5 satin shimmer shades. Well, let's see how they feel. This just turned into a makeup swatching. Ooh, nice. Kind of not too creamy. Oh, I take that back. The shimmers are incredibly creamy. The mattes they feel like mattes feel most of the time. That's the top 3. These are oh wow, that shimmer is amazing. They're very neutral. I hope you can see those 3 on my hand. Those were Atlas, Fate, and Calypso. This is Hero, Goddess, and Odyssey. I can't wait to get in that pink. So there's Hero, Goddess, gorgeous, and Odyssey. That is what they look like. These are swatching really, really pretty. It's a very neutral palette, but it's completely usable. So pretty. And then the last 3 we have Justice, Aries, and Nox. N-O-X. I'm not sure what that is. So Justice is kind of corally. So this is more, these are just beautiful. That is what that looks like. Oh wow, those are so pretty. That is just a really nude, very usable, everyday palette. I appreciate that. All right, I can't believe I really liked the box even before we got to that. And now, also an eyeshadow palette. I'm wiping it off so I don't get it all over my white shirt, but that pink shimmer is gorgeous. I can see for the summer me just putting that pink all over my eyes and then a nice dark eyeliner. I would like that. This has a $48 value. This that I almost missed covers almost the price of the box, $48. It is a $59.99 box. I've now shown you all of the things that we got for lifestyle, plus we got the Rosé, the Tines Merlot, and because if you use my code, you get a 3rd bottle. We have the New Crush Riesling, and it is the Santa Ynez Valley Riesling 2018. If you have any questions about this, I am more than happy to help. If I don't know the answers, I will try and find them for you. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I think it's about time for a glass of wine. Bye, guys. Maybe a cookie. Gotta go.